This is a global community program for students. And really what it's all about is helping student developers to learn globally and also work with their communities to solve real life problems. And that's what the students have done that are part of this solution challenge. You know, they've gotten together and thought, you know, is there a problem we can solve here?
الحل إن إحنا عملنا سيستم كامل.
We decided to take on this challenge and create a web application.
Came up with an idea that's nearly fully
designed to be fast, shareable, reachable. It's implemented as a progressive web app.
الحل هو الابلكيشن اللي نفذناه.
في واجهة البرنامج كما هو موضح.
من التكنولوجيز كمان اللي انا مستخدمها في الابلكيشن هو اندرويد ستوديو، زيبلين،
ادوبي اكس دي وزيبلين وفلاتر.
The app uses Firebase real-time database.
We believe that e-learning is the future.
We are solving a problem in a way that no one did in our country.